Okay, read this one.
White and whiskers.
White and whiskers. 2 boxes for you. 1, 2. Can you read this one?
White and whiskers are my 2 crazy kittens.
White and whiskers are my 2 crazy kittens. Another 2 boxes for you. Can you read this one?
Yesterday, they went wonky again.
Yesterday, they went wonky again. Another 2 boxes for you. Can you read this?
They wrecked
Hmm?
my room.
How do we read this word?
Wrecked.
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 They wrecked my room. Okay, another 1
They
box for
wrecked
you.
my room.
Okay, next read this one.
I tried to
I
grab
tried.
I tried to grab White, but he wriggled away.
Very good. I tried to grab White, but he wriggled away. Another 1 box for you. Can you read this one?
Then I wrestled
Wrestled.
with wrestled with Whiskers, but he wriggled
Wriggled.
away wriggled away too.
Then I wrestled with Whiskers, but he wriggled away too. Another 1 box for you. Can you read this?
They are riches.
Ratches.
Righteous.
They are ratchets. Another 2 boxes for you. Another 1 box for you. Next, read this one.
When Mom saw my room, she was in wrath.
Wrath. When Mom saw my room, she was in wrath. 2 boxes for you. Can you read this one?
I thought
I
I
thought.
would I thought
Thought.
I would thought I would get a whacking.
I thought I would get a whacking. Okay, another 1 box for you. Can you read this one?
But I was wrong.
But I was wrong. Okay, you've crossed the finish line.